Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Assist video, and today I'm going to be helping you reduce some storage space on your iPhone. So in case we're on iPhone storage, in case you see that your storage space is quickly filling up, this is one of the things that you can do if you have iCloud. All right, so a lot of times it's going to be photos and videos, and one of the ways to save space is to make sure that you don't download the originals onto your actual iPhone and you keep it in the cloud. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to go to General, then we're going to go down, we're going to go down to Apps and Settings, and then we're going to want to go to Photos. So where are we? Photos right here. And you want to make sure that when the iCloud Photos is turned on, that you also check Optimize iPhone Storage and not Download and Keep Originals. If you push download and keep originals and you have like thousands of photos or videos, it's going to just take up all the storage space really quick. So unless you have like a terabyte or two storage, I definitely recommend. And so go ahead and try that out at home and see how it works. If it does help, please like, subscribe. I appreciate it. See you next time. Quick Assist. Bye-bye.